Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change from alphanumeric password to screen lock pattern password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, lock your phone and try to unlock. It will ask your current password. Okay, here current password I set alphanumeric password, that is Siraj6. Click on done. Okay, now go to settings of your phone here and then go to lock screen, and here select screen lock type, and here once again you go to give your current alphanumeric password for authentication and confirmation. Okay, so give Siraj 6 in my case. In your case you type your own password here. Okay, click on continue. Now you go to select pattern. Okay, draw the pattern that you want to set. Okay, I would like to draw this one. Okay, and click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify, and yes, click on confirm. Yes, it is set now. And now lock your phone and try to unlock. It will ask now pattern. Okay, so give your current pattern. Okay, so in this way you can easily change from alphanumeric password to pattern lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.